Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Insightly CRM to manage opportunities. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Insightly CRM for managing opportunities, start by logging into your Insightly account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu. Click on the Tools option. From the drop-down menu, select Setup. In the Setup section, locate the Opportunities tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Opportunities tab to access the settings. You will see options to customize your opportunities settings. The first option is to enable opportunity tracking. Toggle the switch to turn on opportunity tracking. Next, you can customize the stages of your opportunities. Review the default stages provided by Insightly. To add a new stage, click on the Add Stage button. Enter the name of the new stage in the pop-up window. Click Save to add the new stage to your opportunity pipeline. You can also edit or delete existing stages as needed. Once your stages are set, move to the Custom Fields section. Here, you can add additional information relevant to your opportunities. Click the Add Custom Field button. Select the type of field you want to create. Provide a label for the custom field. Click Save to finalize the custom field addition. Now, return to the main opportunity screen. Here, you can start creating new opportunities. Click on the Create Opportunity button. Fill in the required details in the opportunity form. Be sure to select the appropriate stage for your opportunity. Once all details are entered, click Save to create the opportunity. Your new opportunity will now appear in the opportunities list. You can update or manage your opportunities anytime from this list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.